I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel Suhani Jain. And I hope कि सबका Saturday अच्छा जा रहा है. It's weekend and now I have decided to start the series of Small Talk Saturdays in which जिसमें कि मैं every Saturday I am gonna be creating content on basic or deep or spicy or any kind of life talk. You can tell me, you can send me the suggestions of what you want to watch. It can be anything. So for today's, the basic motive behind doing these Small Talk Saturday videos is just that I want to connect more and more with people, and I want to reach to the people through the very roots of my beliefs. I feel whatever I have obtained, whatever I have felt, I want others who feel likely to get attracted and to know that they are not alone in this. So yeah, just having a like-minded community will be very it's a dream come true basically. So for today's video, like for hashtag Small Talk Saturdays, the first one, and for this I want to start with 5 life realizations of a 20-year-old. So I am 20 years old basically, and today I'm going to be sharing 5 things जो मैंने realize करी है in these 20 years of age. So the first thing I have realized is nothing is permanent and change is the only constant. Change is the only constant से मेरा मतलब है कि कुछ भी एक जैसा नहीं रहता है. हर चीज़ बदलती है और बदलाव ही ज़िंदगी का नियम है. और जितना जल्दी हम इस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट करें, लाइफ बिकम्स पीसफुल. जैसे कि बट इसके साथ ऐसा है कि लाइक चेंज, समटाइम्स चेंज कैन बी ब्यूटिफुल, समटाइम्स चेंज विल बी एक्सेप्टेड होल हार्टेडली एंड हमें अच्छा लगेगा कि ओ नाइस, यू नो, विच इज़ कॉल्ड चेंजिंग फॉर बेटर. You know, sometimes that change is gonna give you peace, but having said that, a coin has two sides and sometimes change can be ugly and you will not like it. You will be like, why me, मेरे साथ ही क्यों ऐसा हुआ, काश वो चीज़ ऐसी ही रहती, काश वो इंसान ऐसा ही रहता, काश मेरे पास ये चीज़ ऐसी ही रहती. और जब कुछ चीज़ें बदल जाती हैं और वो बदलाव अच्छे नहीं होते, दैट्स व्हाट वी कॉल, और आई पर्सनली कॉल इट लाइक एन अगली चेंज. बट इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ एंड आई फील चेंज इज़ चेंज एंड दैट्स द ओनली कॉन्स्टेंट. वही चलेगा हमेशा. जैसे अच्छा बदला है वैसे बुरा भी बदल ही जाएगा एक दिन. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, हम किसी न्यू घर में शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं या कोई नए घर में शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं, तो दैट चेंज इज़ गोना बी ब्यूटिफुल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू आर शिफ्टिंग फ्रॉम अ 2 BHK हाउस टू अ 3 BHK हाउस at your favorite location in the city, you will be happy and it's going to be a beautiful change. But on the other hand, contrary to that, if you are changing, आप घर शिफ्ट कर रहे हो बट यू आर गोना गो फ्रॉम अ 4 BHK to a 1 BHK because of XYZ reasons, it's not a good change for some people. Like, they will not like it. They will not like it. So that's the whole point, that कुछ भी like same नहीं रहेगा. And having said that, I feel everybody, each one of us should pause for a while. We should stop, slow down. ज़िंदगी बहुत तेज़ जा रही है, हर दिन जा रहा है. We should just stop, pause, give it some time and slow down and just look around for whatever we have and be grateful for that. And for each one of the well wishers we have, जो लोग हमें पसंद करते हैं, चाहे वो हमारे, जो लोग हमें नहीं भी पसंद करते हैं, हमें we should be grateful कि ये हमारे पास है. Because this time, next year, everything's gonna change and nothing's gonna remain the same. So that's the first learning of mine, that change is the only constant. Coming to the second one, it's no one and nothing is perfect. Nothing like perfect score exists, and nothing like perfect situation exists. So by which I mean कि it's never completely black और it's never completely white. कोई भी इंसान या कोई भी situation या XYZ, I'm saying XYZ, it's for everything, living, non-living या कुछ भी हो, everything cannot be black, everything cannot be white. It's always gonna be a shade of grey. It's always gonna have a midway. हर चीज़, हर इंसान में कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा होता है और कुछ ना कुछ बुरा होता है. हमेशा सिर्फ अच्छा सिर्फ बुरा नहीं होता है. आपके ऊपर है कि आप क्या देखना चाहते हो. नज़रिया आपका है. The view is the vision. Everything's gonna be yours. The way you view it. And having said that, just an example, like, you know, for some people, school is perfect. Like schooling, like उनके school के years बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. And their college life, they expect कि perfect, you know, that hanging out and 3 साल में degree मिल जाएगी या 4 साल है, जो भी आपका course है, and degree मिल जाएगी, and you know, we'll be sorted with job and everything. But when you enter into the college and you're like, ये तो नहीं था, like ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था, and you don't enjoy the course you're doing, you don't get the marks you wanted or you thought of, or you don't end up finding good friends. And if you don't end up finding good friends, the thought of you having fun will somewhere be incomplete, and then you will be like, what? So that's the whole point कि कुछ perfect नहीं होगा. But on the other hand, you might just enjoy something else in college. So it's just a small example. For example, birthdays. We expect, oh, this is a very big occasion. It is indeed. But cake at that time, you'll be like, oh, I'm the princess today. It's my birthday. I'm the queen and blah blah. But there'll be this one person to late hoga. And situation cannot be perfect. You'll have to wait, no matter queen, king, princess, prince, whatever you are. So life में timing is everything, and everything happens on its own time. Time is the master of everything, and हमारे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है. जितना है हमें वो कर लेना चाहिए, and जो नहीं है वो छोड़ देना चाहिए. और ये एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो बिल्कुल ही छोड़ देनी चाहिए कि कुछ परफेक्ट होगा, बिकॉज कोई इंसान परफेक्ट नहीं होता है. कमिंग टू ह्यूमन बींग्स आर वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड येट वेरी सिंपल mechanisms made by universe, God. But they are complicated again. Like complicated नहीं, but they are not perfect again, right? एक इंसान होगा, for example your partner must be like आपकी 10 checklist होगी, टिक 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 टिक, but एक पे आके अटक जाएगा and वो नहीं होगा, तो nothing's perfect. Even like the most positive people on the earth, the most positive people who are influencing everybody on social media and just making smile, like making everybody smile, even they cry, even they have their bad days. So nothing's perfect, nobody is perfect. We all have our ups and downs, we all are like black and white. के शेड नहीं, मतलब ग्रे, मैं भटक गई थोड़ा सा. Then the third thing, it's okay to be lost. Just don't give up. I feel that every other human being is lost. Some are lost and some are like finding their passion, कि मुझे पसंद क्या है. Some are lost finding their hobby. Some are lost in their own world, thinking that will I ever be able to succeed, will I ever be able to earn, will I ever be able to get the right job, will I ever be able to live the life I have thought. Each one of us has these kind of feelings and we all are somewhere lost. So it's okay. ये समझना कि everybody has their life put together, you know, everybody has a plan and everything, but no, somewhere or the other we all are lost and we should be okay with it. But as I said, just don't give up. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप lost हो तो you keep giving in to the thought of being lost. Rather, just not suppress, but just top it up with the thought of not giving up, and that will help you find whatever you have been lost for. We all have questions, different, like, am I on the right path? Am I with the right person? Is he the one? Is she the one? Why am I here? What am I gonna do? But the answer lies within you, and it lies in taking action. बैठे बैठे कुछ नहीं होता है. हाँ, हम सब खोए हुए हैं, बट उठ के अपने आप को ढूंढना अलग अलग चीज़ों में इज़ द सोल्यूशन, एंड दैट्स गोना हेल्प अल्टीमेटली. So moving ahead, the fifth thing is struggles are normal. I have realized that हर इंसान स्ट्रगल करता है, हर इंसान का कोई ना कोई स्ट्रगलिंग पॉइंट होता है लाइफ में, एंड किसी का स्ट्रगल कुछ हो सकता है, किसी का स्ट्रगल कुछ हो सकता है. ऑन योर स्ट्रगल माइट लुक लाइक you not being able to find the perfect job, and for somebody else it might look like they not being able to adjust in their household with their in-laws or with their parents or with their partner or with their kids. Struggle is different and everybody has struggles, and all I'm trying to put here is कि हर इंसान के अपने स्ट्रगल्स होते हैं, बट बीइंग अशेम्ड ऑफ देम इज़ नॉट ओके, बिकॉज स्ट्रगल्स आर नॉर्मल. एंड नॉर्मल चीज़ों, जो चीज़ हर इंसान को है, आप उससे एम्बेरस होके क्या करोगे, उससे अशेम्ड होके क्या करोगे. यू नो, आई हैव मेट पीपल इन लाइफ, लाइक आई माई सेल्फ इज समबडी जो व्हेन आई एम ब्रोक, व्हेन आई डोंट हैव इनफ, लाइक अभी मेरा जो शॉपिंग पीरियड है या फिर whatever finances, like sometimes when I'm going down on finances, I get like, oh my god, like kyun, and I get ashamed of it, like, but what I've realized it कि हर इंसान का कुछ ना कुछ है, तो ashamed होना is not the solution for it. like ashamed होना ही क्यों, सबके साथ कुछ ना कुछ है. So just own it and work on it. We all are broke at times. We all struggle with issues, like very basic to very like high-end, you can say, issues. We all have our lows. We all have like सब कुछ होता है. But all we need to know is that we shouldn't be ashamed of it. Some are stuck with their jobs, some are stuck with their startups, some are stuck with their families, and we can keep going. And for last but not the least, that you really need to know whom to be patient with and whom to let go. I have learned this the hard way. Like, some people you will love, some people are really good, but you will but they will, again, as I said, that everybody is a shade of gray and nobody is perfect. So you will always have to just know कि किस इंसान या किस सिचुएशन या किस चीज़ को लेट गो करना है और किस चीज़ के साथ हमें पेशेंट रहना है. इट्स अ चॉइस यू मेक, इट्स समथिंग यू हैव टू डिसाइड, बिकॉज कुछ चीज़ें सुधर सकती हैं और कुछ चीज़ों को छोड़ना पड़ता है. Some things require time and some things are just meant to not be yours or meant to not be the way you wanted. And it's okay that you need to now just give up, darling. You need to give up. And with some people you cannot give up, or you should not give up, I should rather say, because some people are really important and आपको उनके साथ सिर्फ थोड़ा सा पेशेंस के साथ डील करना पड़ता है. And also some situations, some hectic situations like work, and when you're at, for example, like XYZ, if you're a painter and you want to paint the wall, you have to be patient. Step by step सब होगा. You cannot let go of that. That's your hobby, that's what you like. So that's how it is. And with these, like, these are my 5 learnings. Like, बहुत सारी हैं, but आज के लिए I was like, this is enough. And I hope that you could connect with me. I hope you could relate to me. For all the young, like, everybody watching this who's below 20, I hope that if you did not know all these things, you know them through me. And I hope that I've helped you somewhere. And for a 20-year, like, all the people who are in their early 20s or late 20s or mid 20s, I hope that I made, like, I've made them feel fine about their struggles and everything. I cannot come and do anything to you, but this platform for me has given me the liberty to talk to you guys. If you're watching this, please, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you did not, let me know in the comment box, how can I improve? What do you want to watch? Constructive criticism is always welcomed. Please, like, hate is definitely not something I would want to promote on my channel any day. And everybody watching this above 40, 50, who are in that age, I hope I made sense, because I feel for a 20-year-old I did. Not a 20-year-old, but this is what I have felt throughout these years. These are the beliefs I have inculcated through the surroundings, through the environment I've been. And yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll be back on another Saturday with another sit back small talk Saturday. And please do let me know in the comments that what topic do you want the Saturday talk to be next time. Until then, keep smiling, stay happy, stay healthy, and don't worry. Life is simple. Keep it simple. Keep your brain simple. Like, put simple things which make you happy and focus on happiness, and happiness will automatically radiate in your life. So till then, see ya, take care.